Have you ever stopped to think about the way you talk to yourself every day? Do your thoughts lift you up or do they pull you down? What if I told you that the words you repeat to yourself could shape your entire life? Yes, it's true. The way you speak to yourself matters. And today, I'm going to show you how affirmations can change your life in amazing ways. First, let's talk about what affirmations are. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that you repeat to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. They are designed to help you shift your mindset, focus on your goals, and believe in your strengths. Over time, these little statements can help rewire your thoughts. Instead of thinking negative or limiting beliefs, you start thinking positively and confidently. Now, this might sound a little too simple, right? But let me tell you a real life story of someone who used affirmations to transform their life. Have you ever heard of Jim Carrey? Yes, the famous actor and comedian who made us all laugh in movies like The Mask and Dumb and Dumber. What most people don't know is that Jim Carrey wasn't always successful. In fact, he was struggled a lot before becoming famous. When Jim was younger, he was broke and struggling to get acting jobs. One day, he decided to change how he thought about himself. He wrote a check to himself for $10 million, dated it for 5 years in the future, and put it in his wallet. Every day, he would look at that check and say out loud, I am a successful actor. I earn $10 million for my work. He truly believed in his affirmation, even though his reality at that time was very different. Guess what happened? Just before the 5 years were up, Jim Carrey got a role in the movie Dumb and Dumber, and he was paid $10 million for it. Isn't that incredible? That's the power of affirmations. They don't magically make things happen, but they change your mindset, your confidence, and your actions. When you believe in yourself, you start taking steps towards your goals even when things seem difficult. So, how can you use affirmations in your own life? It's simple. Start by thinking about the areas in your life where you want to grow or improve. Do you want to be more confident, more successful, healthier, happier? Once you know what you want, create a short, positive statement that reflects it. For example, if you want to be confident, say, I am confident and capable in everything I do. If you want to be successful, say, success flows to me easily and naturally. If you want to feel good about yourself, say, I am worthy of love and happiness. The key is to make these affirmations personal and meaningful to you. They should feel like they aligned with your goals and dreams. Once you have your affirmations, the next step is to repeat them daily. You can say them first thing in the morning, before bed, or even write them down in a journal. The more you repeat them, the more they will start to stick in your mind. At first, it might feel strange, especially if you don't fully believe the words. But don't worry, that's normal. Over time, as you keep saying them, your brain will start to accept them as true. Let me give you another example. Oprah Winfrey, one of the most successful women in the world, has also spoken about the power of affirmations. Oprah grew up in poverty and faced many challenges in her early life, but she always believed in the power of her words and thoughts. She would tell herself, I am destined for greatness. And those words help her overcome obstacles and achieve incredible success. Today, she continues to inspire millions of people with her story and her belief in positive thinking. The truth is, affirmations are not just for famous people. they work for everyone, whether you are a student, a parent, an entrepreneur, or someone trying to make a fresh start in life. Affirmations can help you focus on your goals and build the confidence you need to achieve them. One important thing to remember is that affirmations work best when combined with action. Saying I'm healthy and strong every day won't make you fit unless you also eat healthy and exercise. But what affirmations do is to keep you motivated and remind you of your why. They help you stay on track and believe in yourself even when things get tough. So, let me ask you this. What are the affirmations you need in your life right now? Take a moment to think about it. Maybe you need to remind yourself that you are strong, capable, and deserving of success. Maybe you need to focus on gratitude, like saying, I am thankful for all the good in my life. Whatever it is, start small. Choose one or two affirmations and commit to saying them every day for the next week. Let me leave you with this thought. Your words have power. The way you talk to yourself shapes your reality. If you tell yourself that you cannot do something, you will believe it. But if you tell yourself you can, you will start to see possibilities everywhere. So, why not start today? Use affirmations to empower yourself to dream bigger and to take the steps towards the life you truly deserve. Are you ready to give it a try? Start with just one positive statement about yourself and watch how your life begins to change. You've got this. If you like this video or find it useful, please hit the like button and share this video with others so that it may help more people. Also, comment in below what takeaway you get from this video. If you are new to this channel, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, as I will continue to make regular videos in the coming days. Thank you.